and welcome to a week in the life of a construction worker. Your first step is to wake up late for work and then rush all morning. I usually get up 15 minutes before work, but I slept through my alarm, so now I only have 6 minutes. I'm Amelia, I'm 19. I'm a semi-truck driver for a concrete construction company. So I drive a dump truck and a belt truck. After you brush your hair, put deodorant on, and then you brush your teeth, because that's important, people. Brush your teeth. If I wake up after 7, I don't take an Advil because I work different schedules literally every day because they always have me doing something different because I'm supposed to be in a dump truck, but they're short on belt truck drivers, so they make me do both. But if I'm in a belt truck, I can start anywhere from 6 a.m. to 12. And if I'm in a dump truck, I usually start at 8 because most footings don't start until 10:30. But anyways, this is my first layer of clothes. I have leggings on and I have my first shirt on. I always wear fluffy socks, not like girly fluffy socks, like actual warm ones. These ones are Smart Wool. I have a lot of Carhartt ones. So I put my socks on to keep my leggings down because otherwise my leggings ride up under my pants and it bothers me a lot because I have autism. So I live in Wisconsin and it is currently December and below freezing out. So this is my second pair of leggings to try and keep me a little bit warmer. I have bad circulation in my legs and my body does not like to keep heat because I'm 100 pounds. Okay, after my second layer of pants, I'm gonna put on my second shirt, which is a Carhartt crew neck. So then I'm gonna put on my third pair of pants. These are sweatpants. Usually in the winter I wear sweatpants to work because I can't fit 2 pairs of leggings under a pair of jeans. So then I usually tuck my bottom layer shirt into my sweatpants so they stay in place because it bothers me if the cold gets into my, like, under my shirt. It bothers me. I hate jackets because they move around too much and I don't like the feeling of them zipped. So I'm putting on a second extra large crew neck. And then I'm also going to be putting on a hoodie. We're not going to put on the hoodie right away because I get annoyed if I have too many layers on the way to work. So this is my wonderful lunch pail that my dad used to have when he was a crop duster 20 years ago. Get an ice pack. I always pack 2 chip-like things and 2 to 4 sweet snacks and then my lunch. I usually have fruit in my lunch, like a fruit cup, but I ran out of them. So I just have a Danimals. I usually have cheese sticks and then I have the fancy adult Lunchables. I pack a bunch of different stuff for my lunches. I usually make a pepperoni and cheese wrap. Or I used to make noodle salad, but it takes a lot of energy at the beginning of the week. I also pack 3 drinks. So I already have a water in here that I didn't drink from last week. And then I'm gonna add a Pepsi and a juice. Then I'm gonna put an ice pack on top of those. And I'm gonna put my lunch on top of the ice pack so both of them stay cold. The work phone goes on top. Oh, my charger also goes on top. because I use that a lot in the dump truck at least. So my lunch is now packed, and then for breakfast I usually have caffeine, and then I have this breakfast cabinet that I keep donuts in. Now I have a 35-minute drive to work. I'm putting my cowboy boots on now. This is what they look like. This is my favorite work hat. It's pink, so everyone knows that I'm a girl, not just some dude with long hair, so this is how they identify me. Okay, I just started my dump truck and it sounds like it's gonna die. And it's empty! Can you see that? I have gloves that fit into the giant mittens that I have. So then I can have 2 pairs of gloves on. So yeah, now I have to wait for it to air out. That's why it's screaming at me. And then I'm going to go to the gas pump and get gas. I'm gonna drive to the quarry and pick up a load of 3/4 inch clear, because we usually use 3/4 inch wash, but since it's winter, the wash stuff freezes together. This is my favorite quarry. The lady in the office is very nice. So this is the wash pile. That's the wash pile. It was pouring from me. And then we back up to the pile. And then the guy loads it. That's basically it. I haven't gotten from this pile though in months, so I don't know if it's the right one. Those are the thingies. Okay, so they give us these slip things, and then I like to fold mine like this. And I put them in there because we have to turn them in because people get the wrong amount. That's the belt truck and the other dump truck that are helping at this site. I'm going to let Dale pour off first because he has to go get another load for this, and I don't have to be back to the shop until noon. And Tyler's already here setting up, so I should be unloaded before 11:30. So Tyler's setting up the boat. You see? Open the gate thing on the back of my dump truck, and then it's going to pour into the belt truck. This is what the bottom of the dump truck looks like. You see that little stick there? That little stick is what they give you to back up to, so you can get mostly on where they want you to be, and then they help you back up the rest of the way. This breaks the snow out of the back. That's what it looks like when they're pouring. I'm going to be doing that later. That's what it looks like right now. You also want to remember to turn the switch off too, so that it doesn't keep running the pump when it's not needed. Okay, so now I'm going to turn off my dump truck and grab all my crap, and then I'm going to turn in my slip and put my key away, And then I need to go to the bathroom and grab my crap from my car, and then I can go get in the belt truck. One of the other operators just broke his garage door pulling out too early, so that's an issue. He just broke that, and now I have to go to the job site because they moved my pour up an hour earlier. So instead of it being at 1:30, it's at 12:30. And it's 11:15 now, so I have plenty of time, and someone already got gas in this, so that's good, but I have to get DEF tonight when I get back to the shop. So now I'm gonna go to the site. I just started the truck and it's already aired up, so now I'm gonna go to the job site. Okay, I just went out and measured to make sure that I'm far enough away from the wall. I poured the footing for this on Friday, so I know I'm going to reach it all at one spot, but I wanted to make sure I was far enough away just in case. Do I look like a bandit? I feel like I do. These are my bibs. I'm going to put my sweatshirt on over them. So yeah. Turn the pump on. Go like this. I just got done pouring and my nose is frozen, as you can see. And now I pulled ahead so they can shovel under my vehicle, and then they're gonna give me my broom back and then I can go home. The garage door fixers are here fixing the garage door. So yeah, I just got parked in the garage and now I get to go home, but I have to go and get my slip from Lynn so then I know what I'm doing tomorrow. So that's the plan. It's day 2 and I don't feel good at all. I'm gonna take a Benadryl and an Advil and a Dayquil with my monster this morning. Okay, I made it to work. I only have 2 layers on today because I'm going to be in the dump truck all day. So I'll see you in a little bit. I'm waiting for my dump truck to warm up and then I can go. My truck has a flat tire in the back. So now I'm at Pumps to get it fixed. And I am going in now, so.